Hey guys, it's Evan. Just wanted to make a quick video on how we have our landing page generator. Basically, a content management system where we save templates from landing pages that we know convert, and once we know they convert, we can switch out. This usually works for landers that can use multiple offers within the same niche. For example, casino. This is a we don't have a UI for it. We don't really need one because it's personal. We're not selling this, but this is literally just for personal use. So we don't really care how it looks as long as it works. Um, Basically, these are titles of the landing pages that we have. Just for our personal notes. Um, Here's one. Congratulations, you're today's lucky visitors. I did a case study on this lander with social casino apps. So we'll go ahead and check this out. And this is a lander that can take not multiple offers, but different offers within the same niche. So for example, you have social casino apps like Billionaire Casino, Huge Casino, Extreme Slots, Caesar Slots, right? So instead of having to download the lander, edit it in a text file, replace all the keywords, replace all your links. Instead of doing all that in images and whatnot, we just have a content management system, which actually is just a template, right? We have a template. We can change out our volume links because we have multiple volume accounts. We can change out the headings. We can add script, whatever we need to, right? We can change out the offer name. So let's go ahead and do that. Billionaire Casino. Let's change out this image. And we can just literally do a Google search for the image, which we did earlier. We just copy image address, paste it in there, and we can change out the comments if we want, and we can add JavaScript or not. This is for actually a back button redirect. So we can turn on and off scripts. Each one of the templates have different things in them. They're not all built the same. This one's just for the for this particular lander. We hit submit, and we have our lander, right? So we changed out Billionaire from Caesar Slots. We changed out the image, and this is literally took me maybe a couple seconds to do. This saves us a great deal of time. I mean, instead of ripping the lander, replacing the image, replacing the keywords, offer name, placing the links, turning on and off scripts, we have it all managed here, and it costs us maybe $200-300 to build this. We just had our developer say, hey, we want to switch out some things on the fly. Also, it spits out the link for us, so it automatically uploads it to the server and creates a new index file for it. Or I wouldn't call it an index file, but it just creates a new file for it, and spits it out. So we can use that, just add it to volume instantly, right? So there's no uploading to server, nothing. We just have it already uploaded with our domain and whatnot. Let me show you another example. Casinos are going bankrupt because of the new smartphone app, but you can't stop you from using it, right? This is one of our bigger landers. See how this one's a lot more simple. We just change out the offer name. Let's say we did it to Billionaire Casino. And we can change out the text. Let's just do something simple like how to hack the slot machines. Casinos can't stop you. And we can change out the image if we want, change out the link if we want to add JavaScript, yes. And we hit submit. How to hack the slot machines, casinos can't stop you, right? We have our link ready, we just enter it to volume and we could test. We could, test Billionaire Casino. If they have a new app come out, we could replace that app. And this just makes things so much easier. I'm telling you, if you guys aren't doing this, you need to do this ASAP, especially for landers that can take different offers. Like let's say there's a niche that has, like for example, antivirus niche. How many different types of utility apps are there, right? We can replace the antivirus and just have a template, the antivirus offer, and we could switch it out for utility offers. As long as we have a basic template, we could do that. So we have those for, different types of offers. And we're actually giving one out for free instead of generating a link like ours does, because this is for our internal use. Ours will just spit out a zip file for you guys. So, it's a lot easier than, building one yourself if you guys don't have that yet. You can just use our listicle creator and it'll spit out a zip file. You just have to upload that to your server, but it's a lot better than finding a listicle, ripping one, and then having to change out all the links manually and images and whatnot. So yeah, definitely, hire a developer, tell them exactly what you need. Like, hey, I want the title to be switched, this image, text, whatever it is that you need to be, that you need switched out. You go ahead and let them know, and he should be able to do it for you. And make sure you tell him, like, I want it so that I don't have to upload anything to a server. I want my, my lander, my template, whatever, to create its own file, right? And so what happens is every time we hit that submit button and change something, it'll generate a file, like a random name file. It's not like it makes a specific named file. We could easily add that in, like, name file, whatever. But we just have it, generate a random named file. What I mean by that is, for example, if it says dailynotice.com / index.php, which would be your main index, it would spit out something like the dailynotice.com / xyz2589.html or whatnot. And every time we do that, it'll just, generate a different file for us that we could just input into Volume. So everything's already uploaded, everything's on the fly. The advantages of this, obviously, we get to test offers extremely quickly, right? Then there's no procrastination, which, if you're an affiliate, obviously, you know how much of a pain in the ass it is to always have to, download, rip, and change out things and upload it to your server. So you'll be able to test quickly and save yourself a ton of hassle. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And if you guys want your own templates created, like something where we could help you guys out with, we'll go ahead and make the generator for you, but it will just spit out a zip file for you to upload instead of the link. If you guys want your own links to be spit out, you got to get a developer. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. Take care.